Hi everyone, welcome to the video of organizational behavior. This is a complex but interesting subject because it deals with the organization and the people working in it. It is well known that no organization can exist without having human resources. The interactions and the effective management of people makes an organization successful. Here comes the importance of organizational behavior. Now let us see the different definitions of organizational behavior. One definition says it is a systematic study and careful knowledge about people as individual or as group they act within an organization. Another definition by Fred Luthans is telling that organizational behavior is directly concerned with the understanding, prediction, and control of human behavior in organizations. Then, according to Stephen P. Robinson, organizational behavior is a field of study that investigates the impact that individuals, groups, and structure have on behavior within organization for the purpose of applying such knowledge towards improving an organization's effectiveness. From these definitions, we can comprehend that OB is a study which investigates the impact of individuals, groups, and structure have on behavior within organization. The knowledge gained through such investigations will be best used by the organizations to achieve its effectiveness. Here, we will be understanding how organizational behavior helps the people and the manager to perform better in the organizations. Organizational behavior provides a set of tools that allow people to understand, analyze, and describe behaviors in organizations. People will be able to understand how to behave, why the behavior is like that. If any changes are happening or deviations are happening, they can make modifications accordingly so that both individual and organizations' objectives will be achieved. On the other hand, managers will be able to improve, enhance, or change work behaviors so that individual, groups, and the whole organization can achieve the results. So organizational behavior helps both the people in the organization as well as the managers in doing modifications, understandings, modifications, and the final aim is to achieve organizational effectiveness. The next slide is explaining about the scope of organizational behavior. While speaking about the scope of organizational behavior, there are four major elements which need to be discussed. The first one is people. The people constitutes the internal social system of the organization. They consist of individuals and groups. Groups may be large, small, formal or informal, official or unofficial. Every of these people are highly dynamic. They form groups, they change things in the organization, they disband after the achievement of the development. Human organizations changes every day. The behavior, the attitude, and the interest of the people are changing day by day. People are living, thinking, and feeling being who created the organization and try to achieve the objectives and goals. Thus, organizations exist to serve the people and not the people exist to serve the organization. The second important aspect in the scope of organization behavior is the structure. Structure, the organizational structure defines the sole relationships of people in organizations. When we look at any of the organizational structure, we can see there are different levels of jobs are helping the organizations to achieve its organizational goals. Different people in the organization are given different roles and they have certain relationship with one another. It leads to division of labor so that people can perform their duties or work to accomplish the organizational goals. Thus, everybody cannot be an accountant or a manager or a supervisor. Each one of them have to perform different roles. All these roles are so related to each other to accomplish the goal in a coordinated manner. Thus, the structure relates to power and duties. So the people in the higher level will be having, higher level of the structure will be having more authority, and the others in the lower level may have to obey the people who are having authority. The third important aspect is technology. Technology impacts the physical and economic conditions which within which people work. With their bare hands, people cannot do anything or they cannot achieve anything. And because of that purpose, they had been given buildings, machines, tools, processes, and resources. The nature of technology in any organization depends very much on the nature of the organization, whether it is a manufacturing, whether it is service oriented, and also that influences the work or working conditions. Thus, technology brings effectiveness and at the same restrict the people in various ways. And the last one, under scope of organization behavior, it is the social system. Social system provides external environment which the organization operates. A single organization cannot exist in the society. It is a part of the whole system which consists of large number of other organizations. Because one organization cannot give everything, and therefore there are many other organizations to fulfill the needs and aspirations of the people around. At the same time, all these organizations are influencing each other. It influences the attitude of people, their working conditions, and above all provides competition for resource and power.